So I've had a lot of plumbing problems in this house. It's an older house. I thought I better call somebody that's reputable. And yeah, Cardinal was who I researched and thought was the best fit for everything. So Brandon came out, loved him. He was a great guy. He came in with boot coverings. He covered the flooring. The thing I loved most about what you guys did for me was when I asked Brandon, I says, if this was your house, what would you do? Brandon smiled to me and he says, why don't you walk with me and we'll talk about it. That meant a lot to me because, you know, some plumbers don't care. Cardinal cared enough for me to say, hey, okay, walk with me. We'll see the things that need to be done now and see the things that can wait. He was upfront, he was honest. He told me right away, if this was my house, these are the things I would do first, and these are the things that can wait for now. But he gave me upfront, honest quotes. He didn't oversell, and when you have plumbing issues, that's always scary because some plumbing agencies charge by the hour. When they left that day, it was like nobody ever was here. It was cleaner than, it was cleaner than when we had, you know, just everything going on here. No trace of any Cardinal plumber here at all. You can't beat it. When people leave no trace of themselves being here and clean up after themselves, I've had other electricians, I've had other plumbers here who leave the mess for you to clean up. And that's kind of disturbing because when Cardinal leaves, it's clean. Customer service, their professionalism, cleanliness, and everything else, I can't even explain to you just what they've done here. And if you hire Cardinal, you'll be impressed as well. I guarantee it.